Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here, and I'm really excited to share with you our brand new concept, our designer collection, and our first building designed by Karen McClure, sponsored by Millboard. So keep watching if you're a garden designer, landscape designer, architect or specifier to see how we can help you integrate garden rooms into your garden design. So having worked with many garden designers over the years, I've realised more and more that it's really important that the garden rooms are part of the design and not just a standard timber unit or whatever going into a better design. So I've reached out to Karen McClure, which we've been working with for a few years now, and this is the result of it. So firstly, she said, I want to have the whole garden to be able to design, and that's been done perfectly and supplied by Architectural Plants, very local to us, been amazing. The building itself has got the Millboard cladding, the Envelo black on it, and then we've got the gold curved 16mm decor on it. I believe we're some of the first people to be using this brand new product, and it's absolutely beautiful. So thank you to Millboard for sponsoring the building and the support that you've given. It's been great. And this is where it all changes. I would never have done these colours. I just would be too nervous to do it. But Karen was really sure. Both of the Fionas that worked there were really interactive in how it worked. And we've gone with this. So this is mid-bronze metallic sheer line aluminium doors and windows. Absolutely beautiful here. Supplied by White Line. And again, White Line have been brilliant at supporting us on this building. And then inside of this we've got the BGB, so Between Glass Blinds is the brand. This is the espresso frame and the blade for the slats, which just works so beautifully. And the whole idea is you've got the garden, the way that the planting looks and this building, it all links together, and we want to share that with garden designers, that we understand the importance of it. This could be anything, this could be stone cladding, different colours. We want you, the garden designers, to come to us with your ideas and collaborate with us, just like Karen McClure, Millboard and Architectural Plants have with us here today. So the integrated blinds, I know you've seen a number of times before, but it is just worth showing you these ones. I mean, beautiful metallic option on the slat there. I'm hoping that comes out in the sun okay. As you know, you've got this the lovely mechanism, dual mechanism on the BGB blinds, and these lovely new double doors from Shearline. I like it. It's with the single handle, little hidden locking mech in there. Really nice, solid design, and I really like it. And again, other things that I'd never done before. So the floor is a Cardine antique French oak. It's got a brass inlay in there, you may be able to see, and that was supplied and fitted by our good friends at Berwick Flooring. Again, thank you to them for all of the work and the support that they've done in getting this on show. The cladding inside is by Matchboard, and thank you to them. This has got the brick design on the back. You've got the V200 on the walls, and that is in around 9001. Again, all part of that design. All of this was Karen McClure and her team's ideas. These lovely lighting here from Tom Raffield. I mean, these are absolutely stunning. Real wood, kind of veneered, sculptured design. None of this is the cheapest options, but it was what Karen had in her mind in the visualization. Along with the brass inlay, we've got the herringbone design in the Cardine, and then we've matched it with some of the sockets as well. Planting in here, all part of the design. So I hope that gives you a really good idea of the kind of things that are happening that we're able to share with you. So as a garden designer, we would love you to design the garden, how the building looks externally, and then even how it's going to look internally. And we'll try and work collaboratively, zero compromise on the construction of the building. We use our techniques and our knowledge on that, but also you can have your flourish of how you want the building to look and feel. So I do hope that's of interest to you. Our brand new designer collection are now launched, if you like. We've got one more coming in very soon. We're still talking to a couple of garden designers about that, and be sponsored by London Stone, which will look completely different to this. And if you're a garden designer, landscaper, architect or specifier who wants to utilize our knowledge but have something different look and feel, then please contact me, and we'll work together, collaborate on these great garden rooms. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do, and I hope that's of interest. Thank you.